Hello everyone. We are here going to talk about a common problem when it comes to data acquisition using LabVIEW. So a lot of us use XY graph to acquire data and plot it in a graph similar to this. And sometimes we want to clear that graph in order to get new data, and we don't want the old data to be plotted again. Let us see this problem and try to fix it step by step. So this is the end of our session. We will see this solution. So let's delete this and just stay with those. Alright, so here we have two random number generators. In order to plot them in an XY graph, we are going to use a bundle. So this bundle is connected to the XY graph, and this bundle needs two arrays. This is done by let's create an array, which every iteration it adds a new random number to the array. So we are going to insert into an array. So this is going to be the new element, and the output array is going to be the input array. So we insert an element, and this element is the array, and we insert the second element, and so on. We do the same thing here. Insert into array the new element, the output array in the input array, and then we connect these to the bundles. Let's see what's happening here. Right, if I start the program like that and stop it and start it again, it will plot on itself because the array already has some data and these data are not cleared. So the next time you are plotting, the XY graph will plot whatever is in that array, and this will cause this problem. So how we fix that? Alright, this is done by deleting from the array. So want to delete, let me just clear this and clear this. Let's think about it. We are going to clear from an array, so let's delete from array. But what exactly do we clear? Do we stop the data acquisition? No, we don't stop the data acquisition, so the new element is always added into this insert element. The idea here is to delete from the array whenever something is true, and not delete from the array, or in other words build the array when this boolean here is false, and the overall output is the output that we are going to use to XY graph here. Let me explain that a little more. So this is the output array. We are going to take it from here to here, and let's use delete from array. We either delete some portion or one element. If you are going to delete an element, we enter here the index. If you are going to delete a portion, we enter the length. So we are going to use here get size. So we get the size of this array, and we enter the element here. We do the same thing for second one. This goes here, this goes here. Alright. We said that if something is true, so we are going to use case structure here, and that is true, so we are going to use this should be in the false. So we right click, we move, delete, make this case false. Right, we connect this to the boolean right here. So what happens now? What happens is that if this is false, if the boolean is false, we are going to get the size of this array and delete from it the same size. So we are going to empty it, and the deleted, or the subset, the deleted portion is here, and the subset that remains is going to be here in the XY graph, which is nothing. So what happens if it's true? So if it is true, we are going to do this, which we done the first time, this one. So we are going to build the array. Sorry, let me do this again. So we are going to build the array as we did in the first time. Now this should be connected to this one, like here, and this go to itself. This one does the same, it goes to itself. Alright, let's try this. Let's start the program. This boolean is off, so when I turn it on, we expect it to draw normally. It starts drawing. If this boolean is off, it clears. Then it starts drawing again, new data. Now it clears, now it starts new data. So this is how to fix this problem. I hope you benefit from this as I did, and thank you for watching this video.